This is Joydeep once again from JD Blogs. Welcome to another vlog. Is Today being the beginning of the week. It's a beautiful day outside and it's nice and sunny. Uh, Today I wanted to talk about a day in my life, a typical day rather in my life. Okay, so the time is 1:02 right now, and I've started working. So as of now the day looks pretty okay, guys. Considering today being the 12th of the month, so the work wise it's pretty comfortable. Okay, it's only the mid of the month and then the last week of the month, which is actually very hectic in terms of the kind of work and the kind of pressure we have. Okay, because that's the time when a lot of people generally they are in a rush. Okay, so uh, it's a nice day, I guess, guys, and I guess as of now I don't see any challenges, so the day seems to be pretty okay. Okay, so stay tuned in this particular vlog, guys. I'll be uploading as and when. I'll be continuing with this as and when the day progresses. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's been more than 1.5 hours. So finally, I'm going to take a break now. Okay, I'll go for my lunch, and post lunch I'll continue with this vlog. Okay. So hang on, guys, and stay tuned in this particular video. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm going for lunch now. Okay, so there is a tradition in a Bengali family wherein before lunch you generally take a bath. So post that I'm going for my lunch now. Okay, so see you in the dining table, guys. Here I'm at the dining table. Okay, waiting for my lunch, and so just before I took the break, guys, there seems to be a challenge which has come in. There's a urgent request which has come in, wherein it is something which needs to be done on priority. Okay, so I've already mentioned it would take some time. Okay, so I bought in some time, and hopefully after that, after my lunch, I'll go ahead and work and get that thing done so that there are no further issues with that. Okay, so that is what it is. So the kind of work which I do generally, guys, these are the challenges normally which I face, okay, on a regular basis. So it's something which it's all about the priority and how you go ahead and prioritize your work and get your work done. Okay, so back at my workstation, guys, and I have to check now the urgent task which had come in, as I said earlier in my blog. So that needs to be addressed first. Okay, so let me log in. So if the task is, guys, it's something which is it's an urgent request basically, so it needs to be visible. Okay, so stay tuned in this vlog, guys. I'll continue with this vlog, and I'll see you in my next break. Okay, which I'll take somewhere around 7:30 when I take a tea break. Okay, so I'll see you guys at that time, and stay tuned in this vlog, guys. Okay, so finally, guys, I'm taking the last break before I'm off. Okay, so this is my last break. I'm going to take a tea break now. Okay, so cheers. So guys, as I was saying regarding that request which I received, and it was pretty urgent. So it went pretty well. Eventually, the good news is that I also got an appreciation for that. Okay, so it was dealt in a efficient manner, and it was so eventually I ended up in getting a appreciation from business. Okay, so which is actually uh, very motivating. So hard work always pays, guys. So that's what I can say in this regard. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be making the last part of this blog as and when I'll be logging off. Okay, so at that time probably I'll be making the last part of it. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Thank you. So finally, guys, it's time for me to log off. It's 9:30, and I've just completed my EOD checks, and EOD basically stands for end of day. Okay, so just a official term. So I'm already done. Sorry about that, and I'm done for now. Probably it's time for me to take a break and okay. So there's a interview which is lined up for me, guys. So probably I'll go and after this I'll just do a revision of the interview, and hopefully on the day I can make it big. Okay, so if you guys want, you can go ahead and comment below, guys. Okay, and if you guys like this particular vlog, please go ahead and give a big thumbs up. Okay, and this was my general routine day for me. Okay, so if you guys like it, please go ahead and put your valuable comment in the comment section. Okay, so this is Joydeep signing off, guys. I'll see you next time, and please do take care of yourself, and like always, keep rocking. Thank you.